Hello everybody, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Alex Deweyra espresso machine. It comes to us and the first time it was like not working, so it needs the PID, so we did replaced it. And that was like the customer said only this. And it comes back to us for warranty. It was doing like weird stuff, sometimes deducting the heat, sometimes not. So when I tested that time, I found out the thermal sensor was burnt, so I did replace it also. And same back again, it was with overheat. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. So that was confusing. So I found out this relay. This relay was burnt, so replaced it with the new relay. So let's go ahead and test it. And I put it the whole day and no overheat, no nothing. So now I believe it works perfect and ready to go. There's the hot water too. It's full espresso shot in it. This is not the same exact water filter. I borrowed from another machine from Dali Bianca. It's pulling the perfect shot actually. This is great machine. So look at that shot. It's really perfect. Thick creamer, 3 layers of coffee. So all the functions in that machine now works perfect and no overheat. Thank you for watching.